Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to change the cover image on your PlayStation 5 to a custom one. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So on the home screen, we can go up to our profile and select this and go to profile here. Or we can press the PlayStation button and then scroll on over to our profile and select this. And we can change the background image or the cover image on here to literally anything, a complete custom one. So right now I have PS5 on my background image. If I go over to the edit profile right here and select this, and then go down to cover image, I can select this, and I can change this. Now currently I can only change it to screenshots I have on my PS5, but there is a way I can change this to anything. So if I press the PlayStation button, and then go to my game base right here, and then go down to messages, I can go to a friend or a second account. I have this account that I made search-browser right here specifically for sending messages to, and I really don't use this account at all, but I'll send like a message like google.com if I type that in, and then go to this. I can go to Google Images and then take a screenshot of an image. So let's go to google.com now and open this up. And this will allow us to access the web browser. And I think Bing.com is a little bit better actually than Google.com for just images. So let's type in Bing.com and try that out and see if that works a little bit better. So Bing.com, and then press R2 and go to this, and then load this up. So let's go to Bing, and then go over to the images on the top, and let's find a background image. Let's type in Halo Infinite, and then let's just do background or something like that too, and then press R2 and done, and then see what pops up. So this is what we see. Let's go to the first image right here and select this and open this up and see if we can open it up in a new web browser. Cool. And this will be good. Now all we have to do is press the share button, and we will take a screenshot. Boom. Now we took a screenshot in the upper left, or the upper right. Now if we hold down the share button, and then scroll on over to our picture we took, we can go to media gallery, or we can edit this. Let's go to the edit option, and we can crop this, and we can just crop the image that we want now. So let's zoom in, or we can actually bring this into Share Factory. So let's move this here, and then move this down a little bit, and boom. All I have selected now is the image. Let's save this, and I'm going to replace the original, and I just have the background image now that I took a picture of, instead of like the web browser itself, and it's complete now. Now when I go back to my cover image right here, I can go to change image, and here is the screenshot I literally just took from Bing or Google. So let's go to select now, and let's change this cover image. And it's gonna go ahead and say please wait, and hopefully update right now. Perfect. Now I can go to done. Now let's go to my profile and just check this out. And you can see it's the Halo ring in the background from Halo Infinite. Something we can't play on the PlayStation 5, but, you know, one can hope. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.